Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: drivers, CUDA or ROCm, and matching cuDNN if needed. Once done, open Visual Studio Code and install the language extension you need, for example Python or C++. Make sure to create or activate a virtual environment in the project folder so dependencies stay isolated. Then install packages like TensorFlow GPU or Torch with the GPU build. This ensures your code will target the GPU rather than the CPU. Now configure Visual Studio Code so your runs use the GPU. First, select the interpreter or compiler tied to your virtual environment or Conda environment in the bottom bar. Next, create or edit launch. JSON and tasks. JSON to export CUDA-visible devices or path entries if required. This ensures the process sees CUDA libraries. Also add workspace settings for include path and library path when using C++, so the compiler can find CUDA headers and runtime. Finally, test a small GPU. To finish, run a concise GPU test that lists devices and queries memory. You should see your GPU name and memory values. Use the integrated terminal and VS Code debugger to step through initialization and attach GPU profilers or NSITE if deeper insight is needed. If you hit errors, make sure driver and CUDA versions match your library builds, check environment path order, and ensure no conflicting GPU libraries are in the venv. One key tip: reinstall matching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.